Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about a plus b to the power of 2 equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we need to expand this one. And we have e to the power of 2s plus 2e to the power of s plus 1. Next, we have the formula. The integration of e to the power of as ds, we have e to the power of as over a plus c. Now we can apply the formula for this one and this one. So we will have about e to the power of 2s over 2, and we have 2e to the power of s. About the constant, you got about 1s. So because 1 multiplied by s, you got about s. So we can write like this, and we put about c. That's about the constant. This is the end. Thank you for watching.